Good morning from...
Morning. Stavanger.
I think it's Stavanger.
Oh, Stavanger.
Good morning from...
Stavanger, not Stavanger.
Stavanger, or as Naomi calls it, Stavanger. Either way, we're here. Join us for a quick walk around this beautiful Norwegian city as we explore one of the most popular ports on our Iona cruise. Okay, we just had some breakfast in the quays again, just because it was easy and we didn't want too much to eat. We are now going to go and find Naomi's parents and go for a wander around this town.
Stavanger.
That's wrong again. There's no excursions booked today, so we're just going to go and have a wander around. It's a nice sunny day again. We're very lucky. Okay.
What's it called then?
Stavanger.
Stavanger.
One of Stavanger's big attractions is its famous white houses, and luckily they're practically on the doorstep of the cruise port. So there's no need for taxis, buses or complicated directions, just get off the ship and start walking, which thankfully is something we're reasonably good at. And within minutes you're wandering through these beautiful little streets, not a bad start to your day in Stavanger. Back at the port, you'll find a selection of small boat tours, which we didn't do this time, although they looked like pretty good value way to see more of the area. Oh look, a dog. Anyway, there were plenty of bars and restaurants around the harbour, and with Iona sitting just across the water, there were some pretty lovely views too. We carried on walking, enjoying the beautiful sunshine, and eventually found ourselves at a local market, which obviously meant it was time to stop exploring and start spending some money. Who's your friend?
The alpaca.
Name is Paul. Good morning, ladies and welcome to Stavanger.
Just wandering around Stavanger, we've come to this old or new kids play area, but it's all made out of recycled iron and things. It's quite cool. I really like this. It's like walking through an art exhibition. It's probably exactly what it is. There's a whole restaurant there selling chocolate sticks. Name, do you want a burger?
That's what I was just about to ask you.
For you Americans, there's a 7-Eleven in Stavanger. Naomi's getting an ice cream. Naomi, what did you get?
Strawberry ice cream.
In a tub.
Yummy.
How is it?
Nice.
Yeah?
Very nice.
And I got a pistachio cone. Very nice.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, there's the ship there, poking its head out over the top. Thought that said Till Slags at first. Good day in Stavanger, nice port. Good way to kick off the port.
Yeah, definitely.
And that's Stavanger. Beautiful city, an easy port to explore, and all in just 5 minutes. So hopefully we've saved you a little bit of walking. If you're heading here on a cruise, we hope this gives you a few ideas for your visit. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, hit subscribe for more cruise adventures, travel videos, and port guides coming soon. And remember, it's Stavanger, not Stavanger.